Okay, today we're going to talk about changing these old nasty roll-up side windows for half doors to these really cool, expensive Bestop windows, so stay tuned. Okay, what we got here is a Bestop door sliders. So these are for the half doors. They kind of go on right here, and there's your part number. So we're going to go ahead and open these up and take a look. Now, this says Fragile on it, but as you can see, there's a big hole in the box. So let's hope these things are not damaged, because they are very expensive. I'll go ahead and take these out. It's pretty simple. They basically just set right in the door here. I'm going to go ahead and put one in, then I'll show you. Okay, so let's see what it says here. Basically, it says it's only 15 minutes to install, skill level 1, and it says make sure that you do it above temperature 72 degrees because this fabric gets really hard and you want it soft and pliable. You just drop the pins in. It says lubricating them will help in the future, and step 2, you can open that, and that's all there is to it. These do come fairly well packed, as you see, between these foams, so I don't really see any damage thus far. Okay, as the directions say, I'm going to put a little bit of this gel lube in each of the holes here. You have 3 of them. This is extremely easy to install. You just sit these 3 down in there, and this little piece here just kind of goes around and just sits just like that. And these open and close like that. And that's it. So here are the originals. You see, it was just an old zip-up window. And once you, as you can see, these have been leaking forever. And once you unzip them, you got to kind of, I guess, roll them on that thing. It was, doesn't seem to be a good design. Where these, much better. Okay, a vantage point from inside. Let's say you want to open the front part of the window, you just do that and it locks by pressing it back, or you can open the back part. So if you're going through a drive-through window like in a fast food restaurant, it makes it really easy. No more rolling that thing down and having to fight with the zippers. So I think they look pretty good. Okay, that's about all there is to this window installation. It's very easy. So they're very expensive, but I like them. Haven't checked them for leaks or anything yet, so time will tell on that. Y'all have a great day.